Hello friends, it's Onyx Food Hill here. Today I'll be showing you how to make sausage bread rolls. So stay tuned and watch this to the end, and you can also subscribe if you haven't done that yet. To make this sausage bread rolls recipe, I'm going to start by activating my yeast. So I've got half cup of warm milk here. To it, I'll add a teaspoon of active dry yeast. In total, I'm using a quarter cup of sugar, but I'll add 1 tablespoon here first. And I'm just going to stir this and make sure everything is nicely blended. You can also use instant yeast. Now cover the yeast and let this rise for 5 minutes and get activated. 5 minutes later, get back to the yeast. Now you have a full-blown yeast. It's ready, so set this aside. In a large bowl, bring in 1 egg. Make sure your egg is at room temperature. Add in half teaspoon of salt, the remaining sugar, and the yeast mixture. Now mix everything together. Let this blend nicely. Go in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of soft butter. Mix this together to combine. Once you've mixed and a mass of dough is formed, transfer to a flat surface and begin to knead this with your hand until the dough turns out soft and fluffy. After kneading the dough for 12 minutes, now let's proof the dough. So I'm going to grease the bowl and then bring the dough inside of it and wrap it up with a plastic wrap. This is going to rest for 50 minutes until the dough doubles in size. So guys, 50 minutes later, your dough should have doubled in size. Now transfer to a lightly flat surface. Now let's cut this into 8 equal pieces. Once you have 8 equal pieces, set all of this aside and then work with one. You can cover these to prevent them from drying out. Now I'm going to flatten this with my hands. Now fold this and pinch the edges together. Now you can roll this out into a log shape. Now wrap this around your sausage just like so. Arrange this on your baking tray and then continue with the rest. Once you are done with all your sausage bread rolls, it's time to proof them again. The second time, this time around, you're going to leave them for an hour to double in size. 1 hour later, your sausage bread rolls have risen in size. It's time to bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So guys, once your sausage bread rolls are out of the oven, you can brush them up with a little bit of melted butter to give them that glowing look. So guys, this sausage bread rolls recipe was so easy to make at home. You can also try this out. It's quite delicious. You can enjoy this as breakfast with hot coffee. If you replicate this, let me know what you think about this sausage bread roll recipe in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. You can also like the video and share with your friends. Until next time guys, I love to see you soon. Bye.